January is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, and although cervical cancer is actually one of the most preventable kinds of cancers, women continue to be diagnosed with that disease at alarming rates. And because the delay in routine pap smear screenings, our Anthony Hill is here with how one woman caught it just in time and what you should do to protect yourself and your children.
I go to the doctor every year, but that's just a regular medical doctor, just for like your normal blood work, trying to make sure I don't have diabetes, glucose issues, cholesterol issues.
And though April Allen gets a routine checkup every year, it doesn't include a pap smear to detect cervical cancer. Thankfully, her job offered a full body scan, so she took advantage of it.
So the life scan is basically where they check your entire body.
And what she found out surprised her.
And in that screening, one of the young ladies that were doing my ultrasound found something that looked like a fibroid.
It turned out that fibroid would eventually lead them to diagnosing her with cervical cancer. Thankfully, because it was caught early, after surgery, she didn't need chemotherapy.
Although you can't really say for 5 years, I am cancer free.
According to the CDC, each year, at least 13,000 women are diagnosed with cervical cancer, and women from minority populations are at higher risk. Hispanic women have the highest rates of cervical cancer, and African Americans have the highest rates of dying from it. There are almost no signs of having cervical cancer until it's advanced. That's why doctors recommend getting a pap smear every 3 years, making sure you're vaccinated.
HPV vaccine is available from ages 9 through 27, and then it is possible to be vaccinated up to age 45.
Since human papillomavirus, also known as HPV, is what causes cervical cancer, doctors recommend everyone, regardless of gender, is vaccinated.
What we know is that the rate of HPV prevalence in the world is declining as vaccination rates have gone up.
In Tampa, I'm Anthony Hill, ABC Action News.